Hey guys, I'm Erica from Northern California. Installing a hitch on your Mazda CX-9 can take you to some really fun places like camping and bike riding. It can also tow a U-Haul trailer to just about anywhere in Northern America. Let's go ahead and break this easy install down. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Okay, so I'm on the driver's side of the vehicle, where the attachment points are going to be on the side of the frame. Here, 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 and here. And the same on the passenger side. Installing this U-Haul hitch, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use an exclusive U-Haul hitch jack. If you don't have one of these guys, then you're going to have to get an extra set of hands, because this hitch tends to be a little heavy. Let's go ahead and get it into place. Now that the hitch is in place, we're going to be installing the hardware. Now on the passenger and the driver's side, we're going to be installing 3 larger bolts and 1 smaller bolt. Now on all of these, there's going to be a conical tooth washer. You want to make sure that these teeth are facing towards the hitch. We're going to be installing the bolt on the driver's side. The smaller bolt is going to be going on the bottom. And the larger 3 are going to be going across the top. And the same on the passenger side. Now that I have all the hardware in place, I'm going to be using a torque wrench to go ahead and tighten all those bolts. On the larger bolts, I'm going to be using a 19mm socket, and on the smaller ones, I'm going to be using a 13mm socket. Make sure you tighten those to the manufacturer's specifications. Now that we have the vehicle on level ground, let me give you some important measurements. It's going to be a 2-inch wide receiver. From the pinhole to the back of the bumper is going to be 5 inches. From the bottom of the ground to the top of the receiver is going to be 13. These measurements will help you determine the rise and drop of your different hitch accessories. Once again, I'm Erica from Northern California. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.